Welcome friends. Let us solve the question written on the board, and the question is find the domain of the following functions. These are four real valued functions and we have to calculate the domain of these following four functions. So let us see how to do it. First of all, we shall start with part 1, and in part 1 we are given a square root function fx equals to under root x minus 3, and we know that a square root function exists or assumes real values if suppose we have a square root function fx equals to root x, then this function will assume real values if x is greater than equals to 0. So we shall write that fx assumes real values if x minus 3 is greater than equals to 0. This means x is greater than equals to 3, and this is a semi-closed interval, and we can write it as x belongs to the interval 2 included to infinity. This is the domain of the given function. So we shall write, so the domain of the given function fx equals to under root x minus 3 is equals to, this is the domain. So this is the solution of the part 1, and now we shall move to the second part, and in second part we are given a function fx equals to 1 over under root x minus 4. We know that this function fx will not assume a real value if the denominator is equals to 0. So the denominator should be other than 0, and because in denominator there is a square root function, therefore this x minus 4 should be greater than 0. Then we can say that fx assumes real values if x minus 4 is just greater than 0. This means x is greater than 4. This means domain of the given function f is 4 to infinity. Both 4 is not included. So this is the domain of the given function, and now we shall move to the next part, and that is the third part of the question. And in third part we are given a function fx equals to under root 9 minus x square, and this is also a square root function. So we shall write fx assumes real values if 9 minus x square is greater than equals to 0. This means minus x square is greater than equals to minus 9. This means x square is less than equals to 9, or we can write it as that this x square minus 9 is greater than equals to 0, or we can say that x plus 3 or x minus 3 is less than equals to 0. This means x belongs to negative 3 to positive 3. So this is the domain of the given function. So we shall write domain of f is equals to negative 3 to positive 3. So this is the solution of the third part, and now we shall move to the fourth part, And in fourth part we are given a function fx equals to under root 3 minus x plus 1 over under root x square minus 1. So we can say that fx is defined for 3 minus x is greater than equals to 0 and this x square minus 1 is just greater than 0. This means x is less than equals to 3 and x minus 1 into x plus 1 is greater than 0. And from here we get that x is less than -1 and x is greater than 1. And from here we get x is less than 3. And if we combine all these three intervals, then we get that x belongs to -infinity to -1 and 1 to 4, where 1 is not included. Actually this is a semi-open interval. So this is the domain of the function. So we shall write domain of fx equals to -infinity to -1 union of 1 to 4. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.